Okay, now that we're here on Amazon, you can see that there is site stripe now here between the search bar and the other search bar. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Amazon affiliate account. So to be able to do that is pretty simple, and I'd like you to follow me until the end of this video so that you'll understand how. So without making this too long, I've already went here on Google and searched up Amazon Associate. And that's what you need to do. You search up Amazon Associate, and then the first thing that appears here is the Amazon.com Associate Central, which is what we're going to be going to today. So you just need to click on that, and then it will send you to this website or landing page, whatever you want to call it. And then right in the middle, you'll see that there is already a sign up button. Now, if you don't know, Amazon Associate program is one thing that users or like people can use to earn commissions while just doing their own thing, making content. You just basically get links that you can promote on your channel or wherever it may be, that when people click on it, you'll earn commission, so that you earn money. So how do we sign up for this one? Well, of course, we just click the sign up button here right on the middle. And then now we have all of these things. I have already set up my details over here, but we can select a different address so this is what it would look like if you were starting out. You write down your name, you write down your address, every line, the city. So you go from like I don't know, I'm not sure where you're from, so like it's very different in every country, but like you just fill out this address blanks down here, and the city, state, postal code, and then so I'm just gonna select that, and then I'm gonna go next. Okay, so now we are at the website and mobile app list. So what you're just gonna do here is you list all the top level websites or mobile apps on which you plan to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon Associates. Now, one thing that you can do is what I will do is to paste my YouTube channel here, which is this one. Well, if you have blogs, if you have Instagram account, TikTok, you can also share those links here. So for me, I don't have much, so I'm just gonna focus on this YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go next, and then it's gonna ask you, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? Of course, no. So I'm just gonna go no and then confirm. And then now you're gonna be given the option to choose your preferred associate store ID, which means your what do you like, what do you want to be called? So I'm just gonna put Go Danelaw, since that's the name of my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna put here video content. Which of the following best describes your content? I'm gonna go blog. How did I hear about them? Just gonna go online search. Then you just write the captcha. Wait, I can't see this. Oh wait, this is read. Does that mean I'm a bot? Just kidding. So you just agree and then finish. And then there we go. Congrats, Flame. That's not my name, but thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. And then this is my ID. And then it says here, if your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. So I'm just gonna go later on this one, because you can always do this later. But if you really want the money right away, if you're desperate, you need to fill that out. Okay, now that we're here on the Amazon Associates homepage, you can see all the earnings that you have gotten, the bounties, the commissions, the clicks, and well, important thing that I want you to focus here is to go over here to tools, then you go over to site stripe. So here you'll see that there is this site stripe will appear here on top of your when we visit Amazon. So let's learn more. And as you can see, there is site stripe enabled. So you make sure that that is enabled. So when you do go to Amazon, for example, okay, now that we're here on Amazon, you can see that there is site stripe now here between the search bar and the other search bar of our browser. So when we go and choose a product from here, for example, here on home improvement, I'm gonna go and get this. It is books. Now what will happen is when you go here to get link, and there we go. We have a link to this page, and we can just copy this link to our page. You can either choose a short link or a full link, but yeah, you just copy this link and then you put this on a description on your video or your website, and then when they click on this, you'll get a commission. It's that simple. So that is how you can create an Amazon affiliate program account. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.